Hey, this is Rob with Nature Report by Motorcycle. I don't want to talk all about motorcycles and techniques and, travel. Obviously, I want to share some great video footage and pictures and stuff like that for my records, for keeping my family informed with what I'm doing, where I'm going. But more than anything, I want to share the meditative quality of riding a motorcycle, especially dual sport when you're out in the woods, back roads, and camping and stuff like that. So welcome to my page, and entertain you and myself just talking on the motorcycle and cruising. Take care.